Ever wondered how to make your Christmas celebrations more efficient and enjoyable? As we find ourselves in the heart of the holiday season, the importance of a stress-free, joyful celebration becomes paramount. This year, we're bringing you 5 top Christmas life hacks for 2023. These clever tips and tricks will help you navigate the festive period with ease, allowing you to focus on the joy and warmth that Christmas brings. Stay tuned to discover these amazing life hacks that will change your Christmas celebrations. First on our list is a creative and budget-friendly way to decorate your home: DIY Christmas decorations. This life hack is a fantastic way to bring a personal touch to your holiday decor without breaking the bank. Start by gathering materials you already have at home. Old magazines, ribbons, or even colorful papers can be transformed into stunning ornaments. Next, let your creativity shine. You can make paper snowflakes, origami stars, or even a Christmas wreath. The possibilities are endless. Engaging in this activity is not just about decorating. It's also a great opportunity for the whole family to bond. Imagine sipping hot cocoa, listening to your favorite Christmas tunes, and laughing together as you craft your unique decorations. The end result will be more than just decorations. You'll have a home filled with personalized items that hold beautiful memories. With this life hack, you can have unique and personalized decorations while saving money and creating memories. Next up is a life hack that will save you from the holiday kitchen chaos: preparing meals ahead. This hack is a real game changer, folks. Let's start by planning our meals. Take a moment to decide what you want to serve for your holiday feast. It's best to choose dishes that can be made in advance and stored without losing their flavor or texture. Now for the fun part, cooking. Dedicate a day or two to prepare your meals. Soups, sauces, and most desserts can be made ahead of time and stored in the freezer. Even your turkey can be prepped and ready to pop in the oven on Christmas Day. The best part about preparing meals ahead? You get to sit back, relax, and enjoy the festivities without the stress of last-minute cooking. And who wouldn't want that? Remember, Christmas is about spending quality time with loved ones, not slaving away in the kitchen. Now let's tackle the stressful task of gift shopping with our third life hack: online gift shopping. So, you're probably familiar with the usual holiday shopping drill. It's the herds of people, the long queues, and the tiresome hunt for the perfect gift. Well, it's time to step into the future, my friends, and embrace the convenience of online shopping. With online gift shopping, you can browse through a plethora of choices at your fingertips, right from the comfort of your own couch. No more jostling through the crowds or settling for what's left on the shelves. You can easily compare prices, read reviews, and find just the right gift for your loved ones. And the best part? Most online stores offer gift wrapping and direct delivery options. So, you can send your gifts straight to your loved ones, all beautifully wrapped and ready. This life hack not only saves you time, but also helps you find the perfect gifts without the holiday shopping rush. Our fourth life hack promotes sustainability and creativity: reusable gift wrapping. Imagine the mountains of paper wasted every holiday season. Now picture an alternative where you're not contributing to that waste. Let's dive into how you can create your own reusable gift wraps. Start with materials you have around the house. Old fabric scraps, scarves, or even pillowcases can be transformed into beautiful wrapping with a bit of imagination. Tie with a ribbon or secure with a vintage brooch. The benefits of this life hack are twofold. Firstly, you're reducing waste and making a small but significant contribution to preserving our planet. Secondly, you're adding a personal touch to your gifts, making them even more special. By choosing to wrap gifts this way, you're not only being eco-friendly, but also giving your presents a unique and personal touch. Lastly, we have a modern take on a Christmas tradition: digital Christmas cards. This life hack is a real game changer for the holiday season. Instead of spending hours writing out cards, why not create your own digital versions? There are numerous platforms and apps out there that offer a wide variety of design templates. You can customize these to your heart's content, adding personal messages, photos, or even a little holiday doodle. The best part, these digital Christmas cards can be sent to loved ones near and far in an instant. Not only are you saving precious time, but you're also conserving paper, making this life hack a win-win situation. Plus, it's a surefire way to impress your tech-savvy friends. In this digital age, sending Christmas wishes has never been easier and more eco-friendly. And there you have it. Top 5 Christmas life hacks for 2023. Let's quickly jog your memory. We've discussed do-it-yourself Christmas decorations, preparing meals ahead of the big day, the convenience of online gift shopping, the eco-friendly approach of reusable gift wrapping, and the modern twist of digital Christmas cards. Give these life hacks a whirl and perhaps share your experiences. Remember, the goal is to have a stress-free and enjoyable Christmas. Happy holidays!